subject maths for class 3rd standard. Okay, and the topic which we'll be taking today is division. Okay, so division is our topic for today, and we'll see how division is calculated and what are the subunits come under division. Okay, so just we'll take a look on the subunits in division. The first one is division by equal grouping and sharing. First of all, we'll know the meaning of division by equal grouping or equal sharing. Second one is relation between division and multiplication. So in the previous class we have learnt about the multiplication, isn't it? So in this class we will be learning about the relationship between the division and multiplication, how it is related to each other. Third one is the division facts. What are the facts in division? The first one is grouping, okay, by equal sharing or grouping division, and division using multiplication tables. Okay, by these two things you can do the division, by these two facts. Okay, and the fourth subunit is properties of division. So what are the properties of division? There are namely two types of properties of division. First one, number divided by 1. What happens if any number divided by itself? What happens? So all these units will be learning today. Okay. So children, so the first one, let us come to the first subunit. So we'll start with the first unit, that is division by equal grouping. So suppose, for example, okay, if you have many objects, you have to divide among those number of people. For example, the objects are divided between the people. How you will divide it? Okay, for the objects also we need a number. To divide among the people also we need a number. Okay, for example, if a person goes to the medical clinic and he gets 8 tablets. Okay, the prescription doctor gives him 8 tablets and he asks him to eat 2 tablets in one day. Okay, to consume 2 tablets in a day, that is morning and night. So how will the 8 tablets be divided? Okay, so 2 tablets each day they have to consume it. Okay, so for how many days these 8 tablets can be taken by that person? Okay, so what you have to do? First one, by equal grouping or sharing. So the doctor has given 8 tablets. Okay, each day he has to take 2 tablets, isn't it? So just minus 2 from 8. If you minus 2 from 8, you will get a 6. Okay, so 6 tablets will be remaining. So again the person takes for the next day, that is out of 6 tablets, again he takes 2 tablets. Okay, so how much will be remaining in that? 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 tablets will be remaining. So 2 days he took it. Then afterwards again for the 3rd day he is taking from this 4 tablets, again he is taking 2 tablets. So what is the remaining there? It is 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. So then the remaining 2 tablets, if we take for the last day, what will be remaining? 2 minus 2 gives you 0. So nothing will be remaining there. All the tablets he has taken. Okay. So how many days he will be taking these 8 tablets? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 days he will be taking the tablets. So this is called equal grouping or equal sharing, by continuously subtracting that number from the number given. Okay, until you get a 0. This is called equal sharing or equal grouping. So first day he took 2 tablets. Okay, the remaining were 6. Then from the 6 again he took 2 tablets. The remaining were 4. Then again from the 4 he took 2 tablets. Remaining were 2. Then again in the last day he took 2 tablets from the 2. So nothing was remaining. All the tablets he took for 4 days. Okay. So this is one example for equal sharing or grouping. Then another example is 12 balloons you have. Okay. For example, 12 balloons you have and 4 children you have. So this 12 balloons should be divided among the 4 children. this should be divided among the 4 children. So how you are going to divide? What balloon does each child get? How many balloon does each child get? Okay. So here 12 balloons are there and 4 children are there. So what you are going to do is, same like this first example, you are going to subtract it. 12 minus 4 gives you 8. Okay. Then 8 minus 4 gives you 4. So first you will give it one each balloon to the each child. Okay. So 12 minus 4, 8 will be remaining. Isn't it? 8 minus 4, 4 will be remaining. Again 4 minus 4, there is 0. So nothing is here. So how many balloons can be divided among the 4 children? It is 1, 2 and 3. So the 4 children are getting 3 balloons. Okay children? The 4 children, they are getting 3 balloons each. So how you divided that? Just subtract that 12 minus 4 gives you 8. Okay. Until you get a 0, you have to be subtracting that. Then again that 8 minus 4, it is divided among the 4 children, that gives you 4. Then again that 4 is divided among the 4 children, that what is remaining there? 0. So nothing is remaining there. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 children are getting 3 balloons each. Okay. So 12 divided by 4 gives you 3. This is called equal sharing and equal grouping. Okay children? So this was the first unit. Okay. So what is the second unit? Subunit says the relationship between division and multiplication. How we can show the relationship? For example, if I take two numbers, 3 into 4 gives us 12. Okay. So I can write 4 into 3 also gives the 12. Reverse product. Okay. So 3 into 4 also gives us 12. 4 into 3 also give 12. So how this is related to division? This is multiplication form and the division form is goes by like this. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay. So I can write here 12 divided by 3, it gives us 4. So this is called the relationship between multiplication and division. Okay. So another example is 6 2s are 12. I can write it as 2 6 are 12. Okay. Then how you are going to write it in division form? 12 divided by 2 gives 6 or 12 divided by 6 gives 2. So all the 3 numbers are interchanged here. Okay. Nothing, the numbers from the outside it is used. So what are these 3 numbers? Those 3 numbers are used in division. So here multiplication and division are related to each other. Okay. When you multiply, you are getting the product as 12. Okay. When you divide that product with those numbers, you are getting the quotient as the same number. Okay. So let me give you one more example, that is 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. So division form will be 28 minus divided by 7 gives you 4 and 28 divided by 4 gives you 7. So these examples shows that multiplication and division are related to each other. So that is the meaning of the second subunit. Okay children? So these were the 3 examples. This shows that multiplication and division are related to each other. Okay. So where you are getting the product, that same product, if it divides with a number, you are getting the same numbers. What the 3 numbers you are using in multiplication, those 3 numbers also will be used for division. Okay, and that's how it is related to each other. So moving on to the third subunit, that is the third subunit is division facts. First one is grouping, second one is using multiplication table. how you can group a number. Okay, suppose there are 12 pens and 4 pen stand. How you are going to divide this number? We have already learnt in the first subunit. So what are the examples for the first subunit? That will be learning here also. That is called equal grouping and equal sharing. So 12 pens you have and you are going to divide that in 4 pen stands. So how many pens will each pen stand get? Okay. So here 4 pen stands are there. So first what we will do, how we will group it? Out of this 12 pens, we will give 1 pen to each of the pen stand. Okay. So first 4 pens we have divided here among the 4 pen stands. Then what we will do is another pen stands. Next we are giving 1 more. So this is 2. 2 pens again we are adding. Okay. So this is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It is 8. 8 now, isn't it? So remaining, what is remaining now? 12 minus 8, again 4 is remaining. So 4 pens are remaining. So that also will divide it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now each stand gets 3 pens each. Okay. So each pen stand has got 3 pens each. Like this we have to divide it. Okay children. So this is called equal grouping. So first we give 1 pen to each pen stand. Okay. Then again 12 minus 4. If 4 goes out of 12. So 8 will be remaining. Then again you have divided each pen into the other 4 pen stands. Again 4 will be remaining. Then again the last 4 is divided into the other pen stands. So 4 minus 4 0 will be remaining here. So this is called equal grouping or sharing. Okay. So this was the division fact, one of the division fact, that is called grouping. The second one